Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vacpe Media. This is Follow Me. I have come with another amazing tutorial for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can earn out of Canva being absolute beginner, how you can earn 25,000 INR to 60,000 INR every single month. So without any further ado, let's straight go to our screen. Hello friends, today as discussed we are going to explore Canva and we're going to see how you can earn out of Canva being a complete beginner and having no such experience as a graphic designer. So I am right now on my Canva screen. Now before making a real template which we are going to sell, let me brief you about the aspects via which we are going to earn money. Now there could be two probable aspects by which you can make money out of Canva. First, if you get an affiliate link. Now Canva, if you type in Google Search Console Canva affiliate program review, as I have searched right here, you get this option from Canva about Canva's affiliate marketing program where you can earn $36 for each pro subscriber. So if you are making different Canva tutorials in your YouTube channel, or maybe you're having one graphic designing website or a blogging website where you want to include the Canva affiliate marketing link, you can very well get that, but that needs an approval. So it requires a specific number of subscribers or engagement in your website so that Canva provides you this link. So this is one of the kind which can help you to gain some money. Until and unless you get a certain number of subscribers or a good level of traffic in your website, it is on Canva's discretion why to stop there. So I would be showing you other ways as well where you can freely make different templates, and without any company's discretion, you can basically go and sell your template in many platforms. Let's start making a template and then eventually I'll show you how to sell that in real time. So I am on my Canva homepage where I'm going to suppose make one YouTube thumbnail template. So I'll type YouTube thumbnail. So before I start making a real thumbnail, let me tell you what are the prohibited options we should not be doing in order to avoid getting any sort of copyright claim against your design. Where you have a probable chance to lose money. So I will show you in creator content what are the kind of designs you should not be using or elements from Canva you should not be using where you can lose your copyright. First of all, you should not be using any ready-made templates. It is better to create a template on your own using free elements from Canva. And you would be able to sell them. Now if in case you don't even have that, I would recommend, if you're taking this sort of a template, if you are even using a few elements from this particular template and end up making some template of template B sort of, then also you are fine to sell this as your own copyright. You will not be getting any other copyright claim. But in case you are out of this A template, you make this C template where you are almost using most of the elements which have been used in this A template, then there is a possibility that this template will get a copyright. So preferably you should be avoiding this. So now let's hit into our own Canva account. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial thus far. And here this is time when I should be telling you why I strongly recommend you to go for a Canva Pro feature than going for a Canva free feature, because if you want to earn money, you need to send an editable image, right? So to do that, you need to have one particular option which I'm going to show you in the upcoming video, which is available in Pro version. I'm going to add one link of Canva Pro in my description. If you use that link and then buy Canva Pro, you can get 30 days free trial. So within that 30 days, you can explore Canva, you can go through my tutorials, make different templates and sell them on different platforms, which again I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you have liked my video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And friends, please do subscribe to my channel, because it does not cost you anything, but your subscription gives me enough reason to carry on with my upcoming video tutorials. So having been said that, let's straight head over my computer and watch rest of the video. I'll be back soon. I have taken a clean slate for me, and I'm going to make a complete new YouTube thumbnail. So what the first thing I should be doing is I'll be going to elements, and I'll be taking a nice beautiful background. So I'll type background and I get beautiful backgrounds. If suppose I'm taking this background and I am right clicking on this and I'm taking this setting as a, you just notice I have chosen a free background like this. Why? Because when I would be making it as a template, if I am using any pro element, then preferably a person who is not a pro member of Canva won't be able to modify or edit that particular image. So to be in safer side, I have used I should be using most of the elements which are free. But in case I use some texts which are pro fonts, those are not a problem for any free user also to modify or edit at his end. So you can freely use any font basically you feel like. Now next thing what I do is I try to take one gradient divider, and I'm going to grab, suppose this one, I'm going to tilt it like this and make it like this. Now what I'll do is, my motto is to make a divider here where this part I would be using for text and this part I would be using for photo. Now the problem is, if I directly bring a photo from the photo icon or from uploads, then the editor won't be able to edit only photo, right? So what I need to do is I need to grab a frame. I'll go to elements again and I'll type frame, and I get different types of frame. So I need to choose any one of such frames. To make it a little bit different, I would be choosing maybe this frame and turn it in such a way so that it fits rightly inside this box. Now you can do anything, but I would preferably tell you to grab a frame and then add a photograph. Suppose I go to photo and I'm going to take one female's photos, and here I'm going to give something else. I'm going to take a nature's photo, and here I'm going to give a flowers photo. This is the entire look, so that the person who would be using this can modify this. Now I want to use this entire, you see these are already grouped, so if somebody wants to change this, they can separately change. I'm going to grab some text, so I'll go to text bar. Now Canva gives different text here out of the box. These are the combination fonts which already goes and blends well, so you need not to make any further modifications. You can straight away drag and drop and change it as per your need. So I'm going to use this one, maybe Christmas sale, to suppose 80%, and I would be changing this font from Hasselblad to, and then I'll do it bold just to make sure it is free from copyright. And I somehow feel with this color, this yellow is not blending really well. To edit image, I'll go to shadows. So I have taken this shadow, but I need to change it. Glow shadow, the size has to be a little more, and this one color, I need this bluish color. Now since my template is ready, this is time I would be sharing this template. Now while sharing, I should be strongly recommending you to go for a pro account, because while I need to share this, I will have to go to share button, and here if I click on this link, I would be getting 3 different options. This is a free option. If you're having a free account, you can use this share link to edit, but there is a limitation of this particular link. That is, anybody would be editing the template that would be the original template edit. That means you're not basically sending a copy of your original template, rather you're basically giving the right to an individual to change your template, and that will basically affect your original template. In case you're having a free account at this moment, you don't want to go for a pro account, though by the end of this video I'll be giving you a fair reason why you should be going for a pro account, but before that I would be recommending you to always attach a PDF. In a while I would be showing you how to do that, and there you clearly mention that the individual who would be editing should be making a copy of your template before making any change to avoid any further complications. So this is one option which I preferably don't use. Since I use a pro account, I would be using this option, this shareable link option, and if I go for this copy link option, then I would be getting the link of this template copied, and I need to paste it anywhere if I want, even via mail or WhatsApp I can send it. But when somebody would be editing, they would be editing a copy of this original template. By the way, I would just show you how the link looks like. If I paste it, Ctrl V, this is a creepy looking long link, so I preferably won't be actually doing it. So what I instead would be doing, I would be coming to my home page once again, and I will be making one PDF file. So I would be writing A4 document, so I would preferably taking I can make a copy of this page. I can change this type button. I get different type of button. I can click any. If suppose I'm taking this button, this is a free button again, and here I'll grab some texts. Now I need to click on the button. I need to go to this link and to just paste the link over here, and boom, it's done. The link has come here. So all I need to do is I need to download this, and I can download in PDF print form. By now we have created our template that is ready. Now we have also created a PDF where we have given a thank you note to the purchaser, and we have also embedded our editable link in a button. In that PDF is all ready to get sold. Now I can hear you asking that where do I sell it? Where is the marketplace? Where do I find my expected customer? Am I right? Well, the answer is right here. I'm going to show you 3 unique websites, e-commerce websites, where you can very well sell your templates, and the rate is pretty impressive. Now the first one which I want to recommend is the Canva TemplateShop.com. The rate is somewhat around $19 to $29. I can even see $59 out here. So you just make some designs, amazing designs, and then you can put it here. You just need to have one account, membership account over here. You just need to open that and you're free to go. The next one which I strongly recommend is Etsy. Etsy is again an e-commerce website where you can have your own shop as well. You can see in INR the kind of design you can see here, Canva editable design. It's starting from 373 to it is rising till 2,595. It's pretty good. So just do a little bit of competitive research, I would say. Just don't keep giving a rate. You might overcharge or undercharge. So to avoid that scenario, I would strongly suggest you to go for a few templates which are already uploaded here and do a little bit of research and then make your own template, sell it or put the price tag here. The third one would be creativemarket.com. This is also one of the platforms where I do sell my templates very often. The price range, you can see it is starting from $2 and rising till $80+. So it depends upon your, again, the way you are making your design, how much you understand your potential clients, and how attractive or how easily those templates can solve the problem. Depending on this, basically you can make your designs, right? So these are 3 handy tools which I have shown you. There are many such websites available. So you just need to do a little bit of research, but for the time being, as I wanted to make this tutorial as user friendly and quick as possible, I have given these 3 websites and you can do your own research and choose one. So thank you so much for being with me here. I'll see you soon. So how was it? I hope you have got an entire insight, and you must have planned also that this month end or from next year beginning, how you are planning to start earning, sitting back home, just making some creatives. You can make templates and simply sell that in different e-commerce platforms and earn healthy money out of it. Apart from this, there are many other ways which you can explore being a Canva user. I have made another video on this particular topic which you would be getting in the I button top right hand side corner of this video. So don't forget to watch that tutorial as well, because that's going to give you another aspect of earning, how you can earn out of Canva. So thank you so much for being with me till here. I will be coming back with such Canva tutorials. I would request you, if you have liked my video, definitely don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and definitely subscribe to my channel and click the bell button and select all notification so that you keep getting intimation whenever I upload my next video. So today till here, thank you so much for being with me. All my subscribers, thank you so very much from core of my heart for your subscription, for your support. Your subscription, your support is the only means by which I keep myself motivated and keep making my videos. So thank you so much today till here. This is Follow Me signing off for today. I'll come back with a stunning video. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.